Welcome to Day Trading and Trader Funding. For those that are joining us today, pop into eminitradealong.com. Join us in our home base, Zoom, to see a series of charts. You'll be able to interact. This is E-mini coaching, trade along style, or E-mini coaching trade along, utilizing the technology of Zoom. Right now it's 9:08 a.m. Everything we do is for educational purposes only. Nothing is direct trading or investment advice. See a series of two charts in a separate chart window, all focused on the S&P 500 E-mini. If you need charts, pop into Zoom, let us know. We can set you up. This is for new traders and experienced traders to trade better today based on this session. This is hosted by what we call a trade along host. They'll be joining us shortly. Everything we do here is for educational purposes only. Nothing is direct trading or investment advice. The S&P 500 E-mini is a futures contract. It's a financial futures contract. It's a derivative price boiled down from 500 stocks into a tradable instrument. Hey Ryan, how are you doing today? Welcome aboard. eminitradealong.com. Join us live. Good morning. How was your session yesterday? Oh, that's excellent. And had a breakout session with his trade along host. We do that in a separate Zoom room where you have access to trade along host charts. Generally have a headset and a microphone. You can use a camera. And it's a real one-on-one teaching experience in the art of trading the S&P 500 E-mini based on a price action trading methodology. To get underway this morning, put up an S&P 500 E-mini chart. View the charts that you're looking at in Zoom. If you don't have Zoom up, pop in at eminitradealong.com. Pop in at eminitradealong.com. We have the ability to help you get set up day trading the S&P 500 E-mini and trader funding. The ability for you to earn a funded trading account by being good at this concept of trading. We start here this morning. Your trade along host is going to pop in. He's going to set the table for the day by setting key levels and areas to trade around today. Everything in educational format, obviously. Don is also here today. Don is a trader hailing from Texas. Right now we're looking at his charts. When the Trade Along host pops in for the morning session. The morning session goes from 9 a.m. to 11:30. We're looking to pick up 2 points plus on our trades. You know, if we sit down in front of our computer and we can pull down a couple $100 today. Okay. You know, $200-300. When you really step up your trading game and adding contracts, you've also added the risk component, obviously. Then you can do better based on a multiple, based on the same work that you're doing. Raising your contract size gives you the ability to enhance your earning power when it comes to your trades. And again, you should look up and take the time to look up the S&P 500 E-mini or S&P 500 E-mini trading and review it on Google. Leave your browsers. You should also start to understand the risks and rewards of trading. Trading is a contact sport. For you to make money trading, somebody else has to lose. You have to know what you're doing. You have to be skilled. Hey, Dudley, good morning. Len, I reached out to you earlier. Let me know if you're back. Use the chat feature to respond. We've got a lot of things going on, both publicly and privately. Session. You know, it's up to you to understand the risks if you want to get involved. E-mini-tradealong.com, that's your URL. That'll drop you right into Zoom. If you need charts, we can help you get set up. You'll have your own charts on your own computer. It'll be your set of charts. You have your order entry. You'll learn as you get set up for trading the risks and rewards associated with trading. Trade Along from an educational point of view is a real opportunity to get to know the trading game, if you will. See if it's a fit for you. Practice, practice, practice until you get good at it. And only then should you utilize real money. You should practice based on a trading fundamental. In this case, it's price action trading. You should have a trading technique that you can make your own. You want to work that technique until it becomes second nature. And then and only then do you want to step out and trade your capital or based on an opportunity to be able to trade somebody else's capital. And we have that opportunity for you. So join us at e-mini-tradealong.com in Zoom. Just register. It's a guest pass. Pop in. There is a fee for service when it comes to the concept of the trade along. So if you're serious about what you're doing, pop in. We'll be glad to see if we can help you. We'll start out by having you get set up with a trading platform, and then we'll work with you to get you set up with that platform. And we'll go from there. If you like what we're doing here, tell your friends. e-mini-tradealong.com, e-mini-tradealong.com. This is day trading and trader funding for traders that are interested in the trading game, the trading discipline. I call it a game because you can win a game. Winning equals being able to come to your screens in the morning, set yourself up, play your game for an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, and then exact money into your account. Now, granted, trading is risky, day trading is risky. You shouldn't use money that you don't or can't lose, or you can't and don't want to lose. It's called risk capital. But when you get yourself set up for trading, you have to understand the risks, accept the risks. It's like opening up a business. They say 90% or more of the businesses, or the high 90% of more businesses fail within a couple of years. Well, if you're no good at trading, you'll do the same. We can help you from an educational point of view, get yourself set up and help you when it comes to the concept of price action trading and learning the technique. But you have to do the work. You have to be good at it. Hey, Luis, how are you today? Give us a quick shout out. Let us know how you found us. Luis just popped into our Zoom room. Right now it's 9:19 a.m. The cash market, everybody's familiar with, I think, that the market opens up at 9:30 Eastern time and gets rolling. That's the overall market. Stocks open up. There's activity, momentum follow through, we hope. We look to take advantage of that based on a price action trading methodology that's teachable to you if you choose to learn it and be part of what we do. We start the morning by giving out key levels in the S&P 500 E-mini. Pivot and other levels on top and bottom of that pivot. You'll pick up on that pretty quickly. And then practice trade. Practice trade is where you have a trading account, you set it to demo, and then you practice against real-time data. And you learn. And in this case, you have the ability to trade along in this environment, educational only trade along, and work the market from a demo account point of view only until you get good enough to be able to do it on your own. I think that's important for everybody to understand that this is a contact sport. Trading is risky. You can lose more money than you put in. That's why we recommend that you set yourself up looking to trade somebody else's money. In other words, if you can get good enough. So I guess there's two ways to look at it. Let's say you are opening up your own business and you were going to trade your own capital. Well, you would trade your own capital only after you practiced enough. You develop skill. You developed a trading methodology. You practiced it, and you got good at it. And then you would step out and you risk your own money. And then when you were, let's say, you step in and you still need more work, you got to go back and do more work. And then step back in and trade your money. If you are looking to qualify to trade a funded trading account, then you would set yourself up to do that. We can help you, point you in the right direction. You have to make your own decisions. This is your trading account. This is your opportunity. Risk reward. You get set up. You set yourself up. Then you practice trade based on the opportunity and the offer to learn to qualify to trade a funded trading account. You become the beneficiary of that account based on the relationship. And now you set yourself up in a business that's your own, and you're trading. All right, so we're going to get underway here shortly. This is E-mini coaching, trade along. Your trade along partner will come in. They'll put up their charts. We're in Zoom live. If you connect with us after the market, come into or register for come in as a guest into emini-tradealong.com. emini-tradealong.com. Register for Zoom, load it up onto your computer, pop in. I think everybody's pretty familiar with Zoom. Hey, Mauricio, how are you today? Hang out with your guest pass for a couple days, decide if you like it, sign up, it's nominal. We'll post it in there for you, and then we can help you take the steps in a direction. If you want to learn to trade somebody else's money, somebody else's capital, that's great. We can set you up for that. You're setting yourself up for it, so you'll have to read, agree to the terms and conditions, and become part of it. There's no free lunch out there. Somebody's promising you a free lunch. That's an old adage. They also say don't look a gift horse in the mouth, but that's another one. And again, we do this every trading day. We look to do it every trading day between 9 a.m. and 11:30 Eastern Time. At 11 a.m. Eastern Time, we do a Q&A. So if you have questions, pop into emini-tradealong.com. Join us in Zoom, ask your question, and we can point you in the right direction. Up the opportunity to, if you're in Zoom, to sign up for the service. As I say, it's nominal, which means it's not a lot of money or commitment. But that's done on an individual basis. You have to decide what's good for you. When I say trading is a contact sport, remember it's a contact sport. You got to get in, you got to get into it. You got to understand it. You got to appreciate it. You've got to stand on your own 2 feet. The idea of being able to set yourself up in business to trade is a great one, but you have to take the ball. Try to cut and paste something in it. Sometimes it's wrong. Twilight Zone or something, trying to do that. Now I'm going to post in Zoom the opportunity to sign up for the service. You'll see that it's nominal. If you haven't signed up, make sure you sign up now. Please, did you let us know where you're hailing from? Let me know back in the chat. Hey, Philip, how are you? Good morning. Mauricio. Lana, did you stop back in? Just let me know. Darren, how are you today? Darren, I don't think I posted that to you. Let me post this to you now. Oh, he just popped out for a second. I don't think I popped him out, but you never know. Trigger happy. Ash, how are you this morning? Welcome aboard. Having some good trading days. I appreciate it. Thank you. I think every day you're able to work your own business, your own account in trading is a good day. Don is with us this morning. We've got Saul popping in. Saul's your trade along host for today. He's a 25-year veteran of the trading pits in Chicago. He's actively scalping for his own trading account. There we go. I think that looks better. Lee, I missed your sign up yesterday. What happened? It did. And then what happened? I would do the quarterly. It's a better price. It's all on special now, so take advantage of it. Luis, I'll send it out to you. Is that a problem for you? PayPal's what we use. Yeah, if we can do that this morning, that'd be great. Very easy. Right now, Sal's popping in his charts. You see 3 charts, 2 time frames for the S&P 500 E-mini and a 30-year bond chart. Please let me know if you got that link.
All right, good morning, everybody. Let's give you our levels for this morning. Our pivot this morning is 45.29, 45.29. Support below at 22, 12, 02, 44.94, and 84. Resistance on the upside at 36, 42, 51, 61, and 68. Pivot 29, resistance 36, 42, 51, 61, and 68. Support on the downside at 22, 12, 02, 44.94, and 84. All right, welcome to some of the new folks that are here. We are trading in the S&P. We're looking to scalp the market based on the levels we just gave out. In addition to any new price action opportunities that might occur once the market paints some bars. Combination of both of those gives us our opportunities to scalp the market. We're looking for about 2 to 3 points on our trade. And see where the day brings us. We're looking to trade about 4 to 5 times a day. And looking to see if we can scalp a few points here and there. Obviously, we are at the mercy of market volatility. We don't create volatility, we just trade it. And consequently, sometimes we're very busy and sometimes we're not. That's just the nature of the beast. All right, we're upticking here a little bit, little resistance on the 36 area. Let's see if we have any numbers coming out this morning. We had initial claims come out this morning. We have at 8:45 Chicago PMI coming out. So about 13 minutes or so. We have Chicago PMI coming out. And that's about it. So a little number here, pre-unemployment tomorrow. See what the unemployment number is going to bring. All right, so upticking here a bit, looking at the 36 areas and then level of resistance. Got small number coming up here at 9 o'clock. All right, quickly coming up here to our blue band area. Pick it up there. There are the levels in the chat for you in case you missed them. Looking at the 36 area as a little resistance. And if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. If you have questions about our methodology, anything we do, please feel free to ask. We are trying to scalp the market. We don't believe markets go straight up or straight down. Consequently, we're looking for those areas of inflection that create opportunities for us to trade. The blue band here, nice rotation here off of our blue band. Get right up to it and rotate it off of it. Obviously, we have 36, so you have to probably incorporate the 30. The blue band into the 36 and some kind of scale. We were taking it, and I have to be a little bit careful there on the 36 only because we would like to get it this time around, so a little bit more riskier coming back up here to it again if we come back up to it, but be careful. So it's not as strong a level as it was just about a minute ago. They are looking for 675,000 new non-farm payrolls tomorrow. That's what everybody kind of looks at. So that comes out at 7:30. We start here at 8:30.
eMiniTradeAlong.com, eMiniTradeAlong.com.
All right. Again, I'm back up here to these interim highs. We're gotta be a little bit careful there on the 36 because we just got up here to 34 and change and came off. And obviously that was a blue band trade there. We were a little aggressive and incorporated that into the level. All right, so be a little bit careful here against that. And we also got a number coming out here in about 6 minutes. All right, just went back up there, got a new high by a couple ticks there, and came off.
TradeAlong.com.
Back down here to our there, got a small number coming in there. Let's see if it's going to create any volatility. Tomorrow's number obviously is the unemployment number, which is what the market is kind of waiting for. You can see how it's kind of been very, very quiet overnight. Consolidating here a little bit. Continued a little rally yesterday and then just kind of finding a little very quiet range to hanging out until tomorrow's unemployment number. I would run down to our pivot area there and rotate it back up here a bit. Number going to be out here in a couple minutes. See what that brings to the market or not. All right, maybe kind of leaked it out here a little bit. Next support on the downside, we have down at the 22 area. I'm just kind of hanging here at a pivot. See what this number brings here in a couple of minutes, a minute or so. And let's see where we go from there. I mean, very, very quiet overnight, as you can see. Very tight little range, low volume, and definitely waiting for tomorrow's unemployment number. They rolled over the bond month to these. So I'm assuming that in a week or so we'll be rolling over the S&P's these contract. Now we're trading the subcontract. All right, numbers going to be had momentarily. You kind of can look at the ladder ticket there. They're right below. There's no 100 lots up and down the ladder ticket. So a little concerned here about this number as it's released. Purchasing Managers Index here, PMI. And one for tomorrow, National PMI, this is Chicago PMI. And upticking here in touch. Again, you got to be careful there around 36, only because the market traded around there just a little while ago, earlier. So probably look at the 42 if you're more risk averse, if you're aggressive, you're taking the top end of the range. But a lot riskier this time around than it was 10 minutes ago when we opened up here. So keep that in mind if you're going to be trading it. All right, got right up 35 and change there, came off. A little resistance up there, as you can see. But again, it's a little riskier now to take it 36. Looking at 42 is a little better opportunity. You can see we're just kind of trotting around here, going nowhere fast, but staying within the range.
eminitradealong.com, eminitradealong.com. Join us live in Zoom. That's our home base. We're trading days between 9 a.m. and 11:30. We have a Q&A at 11. Join us in Zoom. It's a free guest pass for you. eminitradealong.com.
And just kind of staying in this range. Very quiet. Patience is very important. All right, back here at a pivot, kind of quiet. Again, like I always say, we're always at the mercy of volatility. Can't predict it. And so we're back here at our pivot, kind of hanging. So tomorrow's numbers are looking for 175 on the non-farm payrolls. We'll see what that's going to bring. Again, that'll come out early. All right, we're just kind of staying in range. Again, we average about 4 to 5 trades a day. And unfortunately, it sometimes is on the lower end. And sometimes yesterday we were busy. Today, not so much so. And it's probably because they're kind of just waiting for tomorrow. Big moves today. We will maybe in the afternoon in case somebody's got some kind of itch to take a position on before unemployment numbers released. But who knows? Again, you have to be patient and wait for opportunities. We did have a rotation off of our blue band there against that 36 area earlier on. And now we're just kind of gravitating back and forth in this range. Now coming back up, we're looking at the 42 area next. There's a little resistance.
Hey, Coach Shannon, welcome to Carrie F. Hey, Carrie, welcome aboard. Quick shout out in chat. Let us know how you found us. Hey, Don, when you get a chance, can you repost the levels? Hey, Philip, how are you today?
All right, again, pushing these highs. Again, I would be a little bit careful there at 36, even though that's our first level that we have. I'm looking more at the 42 area.
For those that are looking to come into our Zoom room direct, the URL is eminitradealong.com. These are educational only services. We're helping traders get set up to day trade if you choose.
I'll take looking at the 42 area. All right, so just kind of hanging up here at these highs. Again, the 36 was a little bit more tenuous, so we took the upper end of the range there. Maybe you got still there at 37. That was the high, and then it did rotate off. We'll see what it wants to do here at 42 area. We have no other numbers coming out this morning. Obviously, like I keep saying, probably waiting for unemployment tomorrow. The yield on the 10-year is down to 4.10. Again, nice little rotation, nice little rally there in the bond market for the last couple of weeks. And we've also kind of followed them along. And again, staying at these interim highs, looking at the 42 area next. And that's something. You're Philip, trading from your phone and on Zoom in Europe. Beautiful. Good to know that we have such big outreach here. Oh, we do have people from the other side. It is kind of good because you can do your, trade a little bit, go out to dinner. A nice night, nice evening. Trade, go out to dinner. All right, we're kind of coming back here to our blue band area, trying to see if it wants to hold. It does. It's a little bit bullish here. Anything below 31, you want to be added in the longs. You two there, Philip. The levels are there for you in the chat. Again, very, very choppy little trade. Nothing much to get too excited about. The market's going to be just kind of waiting until unemployment tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking. All right, so kind of just lost that bullishness and coming right back here to our pivots. Very, very uneventful kind of trading moments.
Coming live, eMiniTradeAlong.com, coming live in Zoom. We start here at 9 a.m. We'll go to 11:30. 11 a.m. we have a Q&A about day trading and trader funding.
All right, it's kind
Take
of
the pop
quiet
in
here.
and ask.
I'm going more fast.
Hey, a couple quick programming notes. Want to welcome everybody to today's session. This is a coaching session on a daily basis focused on the E-mini. If you want to get set up, ask, and we can point you in the right direction to get your own trading platform. Once you're set up, you can set up your order entry and you can start to practice trade. There you have the opportunity to start to practice based on we utilize here is a price action trading methodology. It is teachable. It is tradable. We start the morning by setting out key levels. We reposted those levels in the chat area. We had a pivot of 45.29. We had resistance at 36, 42, 51, 61, and 68. Below we had support at 22, 12, 02, 44.94, and 84. Those become our areas of interest based on the action of price in the S&P 500 E-mini. We look to do 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. We're looking to pick up 2 points plus on our trades. We generally defend at 2 points. That can expand based on the action of price in the morning session. Picking up 2 points plus on a general basis is available, but there is a technique here that needs to be learned, understood, and applied. Trading is a contact sport. You got to know the risks of trading as well as the opportunities. It's like opening up your own business. You're in charge, you're in command. The risk capital should be used. If you are interested in looking to qualify to trade a funded trading account, ask in chat and we'll point you in the right direction. This is an educational opportunity for you to get started in trading and then learn how to trade, exercise that craft in simulation only until you get good enough. And then you step out, whether you're funded your account on your own or you're looking to earn a funded account to apply your newfound trading skills. That's what we do here. We teach traders how to get set up, or we point you in the right direction and we let you get set up. You learn the risks and rewards of trading based on that setup. You have your own trading account on your own computer. Get to know it. You get your charts set up. You get to know your order entry. And then based on the service, you would plot in your order entry, quite possibly on your charts, the levels that are put out as coaching levels. And then you would trade along and listen to your trade along host. You would ask questions, interact. Your trade along host is here on a daily basis. Saul is in today. He's a 25-year veteran of the trading pits in Chicago. He's actively scalping based on how he scalps the market. Again, this opportunity is an opportunity for you to set up your own trading account, whether it's looking to trade a funded or trading account or funding the account yourself. You'll learn pretty quickly that only risk capital should be used. Trading is a contact sport. For you to make money, somebody else has to lose money. Having said that, if, it's a big if, you can become good at this, you could chart your own course and your own destiny, but it's really up to you. Everybody brings what they bring to the table. We work with you, help you, look to teach you, train you to become the best trader you can be. It's not easy on our part. We ask you to make sure you honor your trade along host by signing up for the service. It's nominal. It's usually $400 a month. Right now it's on for $150 a month. Quite frankly, if you can't afford that, I'm not sure you can afford to trade. Hate to say it that way, but it tends to be the truth. If you're coming in from the outside, join us. E-mini, tradealong.com. E-mini, tradealong.com. That's our home base in Zoom. Come to the link, register, give a free guest pass, come in for a couple days, kick the tires, and then ultimately decide whether this is for you and you want to go down this road. It's not for everybody. We also are pretty selective on who we work with when it comes to our breakout sessions. So this is the trade along. We have breakout sessions, which are coaching sessions. We do that in a live or a separate Zoom room, classroom. You're there with your trade along host. He figures out between you and him, and you figure out between him and you what it is you're looking for, where you are, whether you're new, experienced. Maybe you have to give up some of your experience to be able to shed the stuff that's not working and add the stuff that could be working for you. There's a lot of coulds in this business. There's no guarantees. We're here to help you take the steps to be able to become a trader. Again, you are in charge. You were the one that may be interested in trading, so take the steps necessary to get yourself set up and then see how you make out. We believe everybody should give it a try, as long as you know the risks and rewards. You accept them, you understand them. Big boys and girls here. In the background if you need me. eMiniTradeAlong.com is the URL to come right into our home base, which is Zoom on a daily basis, 9 a.m. to 11:30. At 11 a.m. this morning, and every morning, trading morning, we have a Q&A. So if you were interested in learning about this service, learning about what opportunities are based on this service, the opportunity to earn a funded trading account, getting set up with an account, and then the opportunity to be part of the service on a daily basis as an educational trade along, receive the levels, plot them, go through the morning session, and then we have the opportunity for you to have a breakout session between you and your trade along host on a private basis where you can be taught as an individual with the relationship with the trade along host, your relationship. You discuss what you're looking for. He can put together something that you can agree can help you, and then you work it out. You spend that quality time with them, and then you come in here after your breakout session as a proving ground and an access point to him during the live market. I'll be in the background. You know what to do. And let us know how we can help you.
All right, we are just kind of hanging here against the upper range here at 36 area. Looking to see if we can get up 42 or is our next level of resistance that we have up top. It's just a very quiet day as we're on the eve of unemployment tomorrow. So consequently, the opportunities are going to be narrowed down here a little bit. All right, 42 is our next area of that we're going to focus in on. I'm trying to get up there. I got up to 37 and change. Just kind of pulled it back. Really don't have any big opinion here this morning as the market is really not giving us too many opportunities.